While a new garage door is not always in the budget, there are steps we can take to improve the airtightness and efficiency of our existing doors.
If a blower test or even just your own observations have shown you that your garage door is leaking air, it might be time to replace some seals and check the weather stripping.
Visible or detectable gaps under, above, or to the sides of your garage door are obviously a problem. Weather stripping made of rubber, vinyl, or other flexible material is commonly used at the top and sides of the door. Check the condition and position of this material and see if it needs replacement or repair. Brush seals can be added, providing a dense brush material to fill gaps and prevent drafts, debris, and pests. They help reinforce seals where your door edges are meeting uneven surfaces. Gaps at the bottom of the garage door indicate that you need to add or replace a bottom seal on the door.
Depending on why the bottom gap is occurring, such as the door just not meeting the floor due to settling, a bend, or imperfection on the door's bottom edge, or possibly uneven floors, you can choose the appropriate way to seal it. Seal kits include a rubber or vinyl seal and a retainer that attaches to the bottom of the garage door. You'll see a couple of options for these, including a J-type seal that is used with single track retainers, or a beaded or T-type seal for use with double channel retainers. The type of garage door will influence the best seal choice. Uneven floors may require a threshold seal, which is installed on the garage floor rather than on the door to create a raised barrier that the garage door closes onto to create good contact. The gap size you observe at the bottom will determine the type and thickness of the seal needed. Don't sleep on the efficiency a good garage door seal can provide.
Find more advice on weatherproofing your PowerHouse at PowerHouseTV.com or AlliantEnergy.com.